Okay, today I'm going to be doing a build to a new BioStar A880G Plus motherboard. Two 4GB sticks, total of 8GB RAM. Also got a Phenom 2 AMD quad-core processor, 3.2 GHz. As you can see, it's a 955 model, 3.2 GHz, true quad-core design, 8 megabytes total catch. Yeah, it's L3 catches 6 megabytes. Socket AM3 with heat sink and fan. So, well, let's get started. Okay, I have the camera mounted on the wall. Here goes the AMD Phenom 2 quad-core processor. Unboxing, you can see that on the side. Yeah. Let's see first, let's pop out there's the processor itself. And here's a little sticker that came with it. A little instruction manual. And here, there's the CPU, or here's the fan and the heat sink. And as you can see, it already has the whatever grease on it. Put that aside. Here's the RAM, motherboard. Okay, if you can see this, I'm going to attempt to install the CPU. I'll very gently open it up, get your CPU. Just take that off and do not touch the pins. You unlock this, and you guess you line up. Don't force it, just kind of move it side to side over until it just drops right in. Daniel Tosh hates his fans. I guess that's it. It's locked into place.